Thank you very much. Good morning, Bangladesh colleagues, and good afternoon, Japanese colleagues. Today, I'm going to briefly talk on what is the SATREPS-TSUIB project. Now, SATREPS-TSUIB project. SATREPS is actually the abbreviation of Science and Technology Research Partnership for Sustainable Development. Until recently, we had two SATREPS project. So to tell which one is our project, which one is our target project, we put a short name or nickname, TSUIB. This is again abbreviation of the technical development to upgrade structural integrity of buildings in densely populated urban areas and its strategic implementation toward resilient cities in Bangladesh. Then what is the background of SATREPS-TSUIB project? Why we started the TSUIB project? As you may know, Bangladesh is located in a high seismic region, and the seismically vulnerable building in densely constructed or populated cities like in Bangladesh needs to be identified and upgraded. And also, as you may know, Japan is also located in a high seismic region, and we have lots of experiences of technologies, including beta lessons in Japan. And we have such a technology to upgrade seismic capacity of buildings. But the question is, are they always the best solution to upgrade buildings in Bangladesh? The answer is definitely no, because the building characteristics are quite different from those in Japan. So we proposed a research project, SATREPS-TSUIB project, and fortunately, JICA JST approved our research project, and they funded our research project. And we started the project together with the Bangladesh colleagues. And one of the major goals in the SATREPS-TSUIB project is to develop research evidence-based but well-customized seismic performance evaluation and retrofitting strategies. The keywords are research evidence-based and well-customized. Please remember these keywords. Well, as you may know, damage to soil and foundation structures and damage to superstructures are very typical catastrophic structural damage. For example, soft soil may amplify the ground motion and cause liquefaction. And the damage to superstructure may cause brittle and premature damage, and a large residual deformation may be observed in soft stories. In the beginning of the project, we discussed very much what buildings should be the target. And we found that damage to superstructure is more imminent threat to the loss of human lives, and it should be first eliminated, especially in densely constructed or populated cities like Dhaka city. So in the project, main focuses were placed on superstructures, especially of reinforced concrete structures with masonry infills, including flat plate structures. So in the project, we set 4 major research themes, topic 1, 2, 3, 4. And each research topic was headed by each working group 1, 2, 3, 4. And the research topic 1 is the fundamental field surveys to collect fact data on building stocks in Dhaka, because we are the very beginner to a building in Dhaka city. So we first to know what is the basic characteristics of the buildings in Dhaka. And then these data could be served as an input to other research activities. And in the working group 2, they worked on the development of performance evaluation methodologies to identify which building is vulnerable to future earthquakes. And if you find some problems with the building, we have to do something with the building, and then the retrofit is needed. For the retrofitting of the building, we need to develop retrofit schemes for collapse prevention, which can be really applicable to buildings in Bangladesh. And these two issues are structural engineering issues. And another thing that is important to our project is that since we have lots of building stocks in Dhaka city, so if we can take care of all the buildings at one time, then it's okay. It's very happy, but it is simply impossible. So we have to identify which building or which area should be treated first. So the next topic is development of efficient and effective urban planning strategies to make cities safer. This is our urban planning issue. And compiling these output, finally, we are going to develop these 4 manuals and guidelines. The last one, a book on towards urban resilience in Dhaka city. This is today's topic. And one thing that I have to tell you, emphasize is that our research topic is a research topic. So publishing paper is of course very important, but just publishing paper is not our final goal. Research output should be implemented through other or ongoing project. So I have repeatedly emphasized and reminded this point among our research groups. And this is showing our joint research group structures. From the Bangladesh side, HBRI, Housing and Building Research Institute, is heading the research group together with PWD, BUET, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, Asanra University, University of Asia Pacific, UAP, Jahangir University. From Japan, Tokyo is heading the research group together with Tohoku University, Osaka University, and Daido University. And through the collaborative research, the output can be disseminated through seminars to building engineers or urban planners. And finally, we are going to apply these output to the real Bangladesh society like Dhaka city. And our research activities are not independent of each other. They are correlated each other. For example, working group 1 output can be served as a basic data of Dhaka city for the further research in working group 4. And working group 2 provides the building of vulnerability to working group 4. Working group 3 provides cost effectiveness of retrofitting schemes. And considering urban planning issues together with these data output from other working group activities, working group 4 has been working on the development of efficient and effective urban planning strategies for safer city. And this is the research output, a book towards seismic resilience and of Dhaka city. This book is under drafting based on the 6-year research activities, and other guidelines for evaluation and retrofit are completed, and they will be coming very soon. And the fundamental contents of the research outputs are presented and discussed today's seminar. And I do hope that we can hear your valuable opinions from Bangladesh professionals to compile the outputs and to apply them widely and practically. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you.